Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add your interest on Tango. So let's get started. Firstly, open Tango app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on your profile icon again. After that, you can see the option of pencil-like icon. Tap on it. Then you can see the option of interests. Tap on it. Then select your interests. After that, tap on set. Then again tap on tick like icon, which is located at top right corner of your screen. So this is how you can set your interests on Tango. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.